SZS was established in 1965 at Santong, Taipei Bridge with only 10 employees. The former address of Xin Spring Factory no longer exists. A year after our establishment, SZS purchased an automated spring-making machine from Okuno Mechanical Company in Japan. 1968, a joint venture between SZS and Riken Industrial Spring Company established SZS Industrial Spring Machine Company. In the early 1970s, Taiwan has begun its 10 major infrastructure projects that helped Taiwan to become one of the developing countries in Asia. SZS was the first company to use ERP and HRMS to improve its efficiency and response time. To further accommodate other demands from our clients, SZS also established a new factory to include precision metal stamping and molding processes. All of these actions have contributed SZS to become the leading supplier for all Japanese electronic components. In 1990, SZS began its investments into the development of hinge machinery. Because of training professionals and improving its facilities, SZS had merged the techniques of lathe, stamping, and hinge manufacturing to satisfy any customer needs. At the same time, SZS has established its leadership by introducing and patenting the first hinge part with tunable torque in the global market. Later on, the most reputed notebook computer company in the US, AST, began to cooperate with SZS. And SZS recognized the growing demand to further invest in Factory Block C to increase its capabilities and capacity. Other notebook computer manufacturers also started to work with SZS, such as IBM, Toshiba, Samsung, and etc. SZS has then become the global leading supplier of notebook hinges in the market. SZS established its Factory D in Taipei and other manufacturing facilities in China to supply the growing demand from all around the world. With the growing popularity of notebooks, the demand for precision hinges continued to soar. As one of the key players in the supply chain, SZS has actively set up manufacturing facilities all around China. IPO in 2007, SZS continues to set milestones for itself and establish its reputation as a leading supplier in the industry. SZS established its global footprint by setting up 4 manufacturing facilities in Kunshan, Dongguan, Chongqing, Fuxing, and a marketing office in Singapore. With the evolution of notebooks becoming more and more lightweight and thin in sizes, SZS's first business group continued to innovate and redesign its part, moving from traditional notebook hinges to hinges that has auto lock functions and a 360 rotatable hinge. Furthermore, the two designs can be combined together, introduce a hinge that is lightweight, trendy, and elegant. SZS also invested heavily in testing measurement equipment and software to enhance the quality and reliability of its products. Lastly, SZS R&D team understands the importance of intellectual property rights and have managed and maintained its IP from design to creation. Today, SZS owns more than 1,000 global patented rights. SZS has focused the core manufacturing capabilities in Taiwan and have further set up factory building E and F. At the same time, import much precision manufacturing equipment and set Taiwan as the center of precision machinery. In 2014, to accommodate even more stringent demands from our clients, SZS has established Factory Building H and have greatly increased our capacity more than ever. SZS offers a one-stop production solution. With vertical integration and automated machinery, SZS is able to provide short lead time, high quality control, and low cost as a reliable service. Ultimately, SZS can provide clients competitive pricing with high quality. SZS developed the core technical know-how of metal injection molding and set up the 5th business group in 2006. Metal injection molding contains the adaptability of plastic injection molding and the strength of powder metallurgy. SZS has moved into a new generation by providing light, thin, tiny 3C electronic components for cell phones, tablets, and wearable smart products. Besides innovating R&D capabilities, quality assurance is also what SZS focuses on to provide as an added value to its clients. SZS's Center for Quality has evolved from using manual testing methods to utilizing 3D CT scanning. The more precision of a product, the more it requires accurate testing methods. SZS has invested 170 million NT for the precision measuring equipment and obtained ISO 9001 and QC certifications. For over 40 years of specialty, 10 years of adapting to the environment and innovation, SZS's Hinges Business Group is at its top in precision machinery. And MIM Business Group offers a diversified business that is slowly moving towards a 10 billion NT dollars yearly revenue business on its own.